Okay, and today we're going to talk about classwork number 3. So what is the difference between classwork 3 and the previous classworks? From now on we're going to talk about the 3D models. Before that our drawing was 2-dimension. Now we're going to go to 3-dimension drawings. Okay, inshallah it will be easy for you. So in this classwork we're going to discuss these features, which is extrude, mid-plane, extrude cut, and fillet and chamfer through 3D models. Okay, now let's go to question number 1. Before we go to question number 1, we always in the engineering graphics we have 3 views that I can see the model from. So this view, if I suppose that I see from here, so this view is the front from this area. This is the front. Okay, I hope that there is. Okay, so from this side, if I just suppose that I am here, I'm looking here from this area. Okay, so this shape, okay, is the front from this area. Okay, from this area, we are looking for from the right view or the side view. So always this is the front. From this area, this is the right. From here, from the top, this is the top view. So see, so we are. We have 3 views or 3 planes that we can look the model from. So this is always the front from this area. This is the right from this area. This is the top from this area. The same thing here. Always this is the front. Always this is the front. This is the front. Okay, this is the front. This is the front. Okay. So for example, in the question number 5. What can I see from the front view? I can see this eye. Okay, this shape, which is like eye or rectangle, or vertical rectangle. Okay, from the right, what can I see from the right? I can see you. Yes, I can see you. From the top, what can I see? I can see 3 eyes. This is eye number 1. Down, this is eye number 2. And this is eye number 3. Okay, and so on. For example, question number 8. What can I see from the front? I can see T, like a T shape, but upside down T. Okay, it's not like normal T. It's okay. I can see T. Okay, from the right, what can I see? I can see 2 eyes. This is eye number 1, and this is the eye number 2, or rectangle number 1, rectangle number 2, and I can see clearly this circle. Okay, what can I see from the top? I can see 3 eyes. This is the eye number 1. This is the eye number 2. This is the eye number 3. So front, always we can see front from here. Always we have the right from here. Always we have the top from here. Okay, very simple. Okay, now let's go to the question number 1. What can I see here? Okay, from the this is the front, and this is the right, and this is the top. Okay, how can I draw this question? Very simple. Very simple. How can I draw this question? To answer this question, I have to see the view. That if you draw this view, it will just give you like 80% of the drawing is done. Okay, for example, if I draw from the front, what can I see? I can see the T, this T, upside down T. Ignore that there is a chamfer here. There is a chamfer. Always make the chamfer and the fillet at the end. Just imagine that there is no chamfer. So I can see this T from the front. Okay. Now from the right, what can I see? I can see how many eyes we have. 1, or rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is it for me? Should I draw just 1 T and give it an extrude of 80? Or should I draw 4 rectangles? This is rectangle number 1, rectangle number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, and gives every one of these rectangles an extrude. Okay, this is 35, this is 25, this is 15. I believe the front will be easy. If I draw the front view, it will be easy. Just I draw this T, and just I give it 80 millimeter. So always look at the view that if you draw it, you draw 80% of the drawing. Okay, for this question, the front view is the easiest one. Okay, so always look at the view, the easiest view, that just you need to extrude like 80 millimeter, and like this. Okay, so from this question we can see that the view, the front view is the easiest way. Okay, let's do that together. So new. Okay. Okay, from the top, what can I see? I can see three, maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have like 4 things, but here I have just one thing, which is the T. So the front view is the easiest plane for me. Okay, so I would choose front plane. Okay, maybe the question number 2 I can choose top or right, but for this question it's obviously, to me, the front view is the easiest way. Okay, so right click, normal to, sketch. Okay, and I will put always my origin point here. The origin point is here. Okay, so from this line, okay, I'll go from here. So I put origin point here. So click from here, go right. Mama, روحي ماما روحي. Go up. Okay, then go left. Then go up. Okay, then go right. Okay, then go up. Then go right again. Then go up. Then go left. Then go down. Then go left. Then go down. And this is the this shape. Okay, just I forget about the I just ignore the chamfer here. Make always the chamfer at the end. Okay, so don't worry about this. So we go right. This is the origin point. We go right, then up, then left, then up, then right, then up, then left, then go up, then left, then down, then left, then to the origin point. Okay, very easy. Now what is the dimension here? The dimension here is 70. Okay, what is the dimension here? I don't have it here, but I have it here. It's 15. Okay, so the dimensions are not always clear. You have to find out where are the dimensions. So this is 15. Check. Okay, then we have this line 35. Check. Okay, also I have this smart dimension. This line is 30. Check. Now what is the length of this line? It's here 16, so I go here, click here. Okay, this is 16. Check. Now I'll make this length is 19. Okay, this is 19. Smart dimension. This is 19. 19. Check. Okay, I have this one. This one is 15. 15. Check. Okay, now what? I have all the dimensions. What is missing here? Okay, click on escape 3 times. 1 to escape. escape button, ESC escape, which is in the up left area on your keyboard. So what is left here? If we just drag any of these blue circles, if you drag it up and down, you can see that I have this length. This length is not mentioned. He wants you to give this length a dimension. So what is the dimension of this length? Obviously, this length and this length have the same length, which is 15 millimeter. So you can do that. Click here from this line to this line. This length is 15. Okay, this is an option. Or you can say something else. Okay, what can you do here? You can say that this point and this point are horizontal. So you can give a relation here between this point and this point. Okay, what is the relation between this point and this point? The relation here are horizontal. So you have two options here. You can do this or this. Okay. Now what is missing here? Click escape, then take any of these blue points, like this point, blue point, and this point, drag it to the right or to the left. Okay, so what is missing here? Okay, is these 2 points are vertical? This point and this point are vertical, which means this length and this length have the same length, which is 15. Yes, so I can say that this point and this point are vertical. Click, check. So the length from here to here 15, and also the length from here to here is 15. Okay, this is the 15. Okay, now what I have here, what is the missing thing here? Take any point of these blue points, drag it right to the left. Okay, we have a missing dimension here. What is the missing dimension? Whenever you see this length is go right and left, which means that you have to give this line or this line a dimension. Okay, so what is the dimension of this line? We didn't take it in consideration, so smart dimension, this line would be 25. Okay, 25, then check. Okay, so always if you want to see what is the missing, you have to move the drawing from the blue points to see what is missing. You have to make a dimension for these lines that can go right and left or up and down. Okay, now this T is fully defined, as you can see. Now feature, extrude, feature, extrude. What is the extrude of this T? Is it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? We can see that it's 80, so we give it a dimension of 80 millimeters. Check, check again. You have to check again until you go to this screen that gives you the front and the top and right. Okay, okay. We have finished this question, but we just need to add this chamfer. Okay, so in the feature we have the fillet, and we have also the chamfer. So we can click here on the chamfer. Okay, okay. Which edge should we add the chamfer on? Is this edge, or this edge, or this edge, or this edge? Obviously, it's in this edge. So we click on this edge. Okay. He gives you that it's 10 millimeters and 45 degree. Okay, the slope is 45 degree. So 10 millimeters and 45 degree, which is okay. Then click on check. Now you can see that he add the chamfer here. Okay, as you can see, this is 10 millimeters and this is the 45 degree from this area until to the vertical line. Okay, very simple. After you finish, you have to make it isometric from here. Isometric. Now our question is ready to save it. So file, save as. Okay, go to the desktop. Then make a new folder. Okay, and save it. Then your number 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 underscore problem 1, and make a folder of classwork 3 and save all. Okay, save all your problems on this folder, inside this folder. Okay, I hope this question is easy for you. Now go to question number 2 and try to see what is the easiest view that we can start our drawing from. Okay, thank you very much.